Chinese content copywriting. If your business can talk to your audience in Chinese, you are probably creating a new and profitable customer base for yourself. When they visit your site, they naturally want to see simplified copywriting in Chinese. In China, customers want to know everything by searching simplified Chinese keywords on websites like Baidu. Through Chinese SEO copywriting, your target customers can quickly find your company/product online. Excellent simplified Chinese copywriting is very helpful to improve the ranking of your website in China. It determines the traffic of your website on Baidu, 360, Xinma, and other China search engines. At DoMatters, we offer professional Chinese content copywriting services to help your brand stand out. Consult our Chinese copywriters to reap the benefits of equipping your site with simplified English to Chinese content. Here's why you need to create a simplified Chinese copy on your website. Enhance brand awareness in China. Increase search traffic. Make Chinese customers have deep understanding of company/products. Increase brand trust among Chinese customers. Increase brand stickiness among Chinese customers. Build culturally aware. Chinese content copywriting. Why choose DoMatters? 1. SEO writing method, improve website ranking. 2. Native Chinese copywriting team. 3. Writing experience in blockchain, cybersecurity, IT, finance, online education, healthcare, beauty, and other industries. 4. Help brands stand out from competitors. 5. Provide valuable, insightful, culturally aware, and educational content for your brand. What can we provide for you? 1. Simplified Chinese copywriting. 2. Chinese website SEO copywriting. 3. Chinese marketing collateral copywriting. 4. Chinese script speeches and PR copywriting and posted in Sina, Zhihu, Baidu Zhidao, etc. 5. Chinese social media copywriting for WeChat, Weibo, Baijiahao, Xiaohongshu, etc. 6. Chinese proofreading and copy editing service. 7. Chinese technical writing in blockchain, forex, mechanical, IT, e-commerce, etc. 8. Chinese product description for JD Store, Tmall Store, etc. Simplified Chinese copywriting. What are the writing requirements and skills of Chinese DoMatters content copywriting? 500-3000 Simplified Chinese characters. 100% unique content. 3+ subtitles. 1 client link. 2 extra links to relevant big sources. Add image plus alt text plus source URL. Images must be from royalty-free image sites. Do not use words like very or similar as an adverb, as they are forbidden by Chinese advertising law. Do not use hyperbole or exaggeration, e.g. limitless, etc. Those words are also illegal according to law of Chinese advertising. Don't write anything that against China policy, etc. Keyword density should be in the range of 5 to 6 occurrences per 1,000 words. Our copywriting process. 1. Discuss, understand your needs and expectations. 2. Research, industry background research, keyword research. 3. First draft, the first copywriting presentation after the theme is decided. 4. Proofreading, to correct typos, punctuation and grammar. 5. Draft delivery, after the editor reviews, you will receive the first draft and have the opportunity to provide feedback. 6. Revision, a free opportunity to revise the first draft as you request. Our idea is DoMatters. If you want a success in China market, send email to support@domatters.com to get a consultation.